Welcome, and take a slow breath with me. Today we're talking about how to wake up early without struggle. Not by forcing yourself. Not by fighting your body. And not by feeling angry at the alarm every morning. If you have ever planned to wake up early, set your alarm with hope, and then pressed snooze again and again, you are not lazy. You are not weak. And there is nothing wrong with your willpower. This struggle happens because your brain is doing its job. Your brain wants to protect your energy. When you sleep late, use your phone before bed, or change your wake time every day, your brain gets confused. It thinks early waking is a danger. So it pulls you back into sleep. Researchers who study sleep rhythms, like the team behind National Sleep Foundation, explain that the brain follows a body clock. This clock loves routine. When your routine is messy, your mornings become hard. The good news is this. You can train your brain to wake up early. Not with pain. But with calm signals. And small daily habits. Today, I will guide you through a simple way to do that. You can start tonight. First, notice how your body feels in the evening. Notice your eyes. Notice your breath. Notice your shoulders. Are they heavy? Are you tired? Or are you still full of energy? Most people try to wake up early, but they forget to prepare the night. Your morning begins at night. So tonight, try this small change. 1 hour before bed, dim the lights in your room. If you can, turn off the bright ceiling light. Use a small lamp. Notice how the room feels calmer. Your brain reads light as a message. Bright light says, stay awake. Soft light says, slow down. Now notice your phone. Try to place it a little farther from your bed. Not far. Just far enough that you cannot touch it easily. When you see less light from the screen, your brain releases more melatonin. This is the sleep hormone. It tells your body, it is safe to rest now. Try this now. Imagine your room becoming softer. The light is warm. Your breath is slow. Your eyes feel heavy. This feeling is not weakness. This is your body preparing for tomorrow. There was a well-known study from Harvard Medical School that showed blue light from screens can delay sleep. This means when you scroll at night, your brain thinks it is still daytime. So waking up early becomes painful. When you protect your evening, your morning becomes easier. Now, let's talk about your wake-up moment. Most people wake up with fear. A loud alarm. A rush of stress. A fast heart. Try a different way. Choose a gentle alarm sound. A soft tone. Or calm music. When the alarm rings, do not jump up. Do not fight it. Just notice your breath. Take one slow breath in. And one slow breath out. Now, move one small part of your body. Your fingers. Then your toes. Then your shoulders. This tells your brain, I am safe. I am awake. There is something called the sleep inertia phase. This is the fog you feel after waking. Scientists explain that your brain needs a few minutes to fully switch on. When you move gently, your brain wakes without stress. This makes the habit easier to repeat. Try this. As soon as you sit up, place your feet on the floor. Feel the floor. Notice the cool or warm feeling. This physical touch anchors you in the moment. It tells your nervous system, the day has started. Now, let's change what you do in the first 5 minutes. Most people check their phone. They see messages. They see problems. Their brain feels heavy again. Instead, give your brain a small reward. Open the window. Let fresh air touch your face. Drink a glass of water. Feel it move down your throat. This simple act wakes your body from inside. Light is powerful in the morning. When sunlight enters your eyes, your brain stops making melatonin. It starts making cortisol. This is a natural wake-up chemical. It gives you gentle energy. Try to stand near a window for 1 minute. If the sun is there, let it touch your face. Notice how your eyes adjust. Notice how your body feels slightly more awake. Real-life example. Many people who work early shifts say the hardest part is the first week. After that, their body begins to wake before the alarm. This is not magic. This is rhythm. Your brain learns the pattern you repeat. Now, let's talk about one tiny habit that changes everything. Wake up at the same time every day. Even on weekends. Yes, this feels hard. But notice why. When you sleep in on weekends, your brain thinks your rhythm is broken. So Monday feels painful again. You do not need to wake up very early at first. Choose a time that is just a little earlier than now. Maybe 15 minutes earlier. Stay with this time for 1 week. Let your body learn. Then move another 15 minutes earlier. This slow shift respects your nervous system. Your brain likes safety. Small changes feel safe. Try this tonight. Write your wake-up time on paper. Put it near your bed. This small promise creates intention. Your brain loves clear signals. Now imagine tomorrow morning. The room is quiet. Your alarm is soft. You open your eyes slowly. You breathe. You place your feet on the floor. You stand near the window. You drink water. Notice how this feels calmer than rushing. There was research shared by American Academy of Sleep Medicine showing that regular sleep and wake times improve energy and mood. This means your early mornings will start to feel lighter. Not heavy. Some mornings will still be hard. This is normal. Your brain is learning a new pattern. Do not judge yourself. Just return to the habit. If you miss one day, do not quit. Just continue the next day. Consistency is gentle. It is not punishment. Notice how your mornings slowly change. Notice how your body wakes faster. Notice how your mind feels clearer. These small changes build trust with your brain. Try this now. Take a slow breath. Imagine yourself waking early tomorrow. Feel your feet on the floor. Feel the air on your face. Feel the calm start of your day. You are not fighting your body anymore. You are guiding it. You are teaching it a new rhythm. If you practice this daily, your mornings will feel lighter. Your energy will grow. Your confidence will rise. Stay patient with yourself. Stay kind to your brain. It is learning with you. And if this calm way of training your brain feels helpful, come back and practice again tomorrow. Make this a small daily habit. Little by little, your mornings will change.